Activity 3, bar graph on Excel sheet. This is a question here which will represent on bar graph. Drawing of bar graph on Excel sheet is far more easier than what we have done in activity 2, that was drawing of pictograph on Excel sheet. So here we'll start. We have a question here. In half yearly examination, Ramesh got the following marks: subject and marks. So subjects are English, Hindi, mathematics, science, social science, and the marks which Ramesh has got are in English 70, Hindi 65, mathematics 95, science 85, social 83, and we have to draw a bar graph on Excel sheet representing the data. So first thing we'll do is we'll select this table. So I think you all know how to select it. Just drag the cursor till here and then click on copy. So here we have copied the table. Now we'll open the Excel sheet. In that we'll open new sheet and just paste the table here. So this is the option of. Now we can see that the table is not looking properly, so we'll just do the adjustment, drag it as we have done in our earlier activities. And also we feel that the table is the letters are very small, so we can just increase the size. I put it to 14, so this is still 14. Now you have to select it, is already selected. Then click on insert, and here there are different graphs which we can draw, and we'll be clicking in the first one, that is insert column or bar chart. In this, the vertical ones are known as bar graph, and here they are vertical bar graph, and here we have this one, they are horizontal bar graphs. So we have, this is 2D, this is 3D, but we'll be concerned only in 2D bar graph. So we'll, out of these we can select any one. Let us select the first one. So here this is our bar graph. Now we can do some changes in this. So drawing a bar graph was very simple, it's complete now, but it is not looking that much nice. So what we can do is we can increase the size. So here we have increased the size. Also if you feel the numbers are not that much big, you can increase that also. For that, go to home and change the font size. So let us suppose let it be 11. So 11 now. Same way we can do here for the letters, subjects. So just they are looking small. You can click on the another size, bigger size. So this 11. Now next we can do some more changes. For this you will have to click on this square box with plus sign, and there will be different options like access titles, chart titles, data labels. In that gives us the, if you click on data labels, you can see that we are getting the marks of the students in the particular subject. So this is how we can do more changes. Suppose now we want to change the chart title. So first thing, suppose you click on this one, the chart title will disappear. Then again click it, the original title will come. And we want to change this one, so just select this inside the rectangular box. You have to select it and then delete it. After that you can put the title of your choice. Suppose I am putting the title as performance sheet. You can put any other name of your choice. So performance sheet. So this is the new title which I have given, and some more changes you can do. For that, again click on this one. So when you click on that, that plus sign will reappear, and this is access titles. So click on that one. We can here these all are subjects, and we can change here. In place of access title we can write here subjects. So same way we'll select this one, and when we select this and then delete that and write here subjects. So we can see that the x-axis is showing us subjects. Same way we can do the change here also. So this also will select. So here we have selected, then delete this, and you can see that the second column is showing marks. So what you can write here is marks. So this is marked. So we have completed all. Now still if you want to do more changes, you can just do the changes from here. Just every time whatever change you want to do, you can just go through this one. And here also color and all that, you can do more changes by putting and clicking on this design. Suppose I want to change the color of my bar graphs, so click on this one and any choice. Suppose my choice is say a yellow color, so I can put it here, and just you can see that the color of the bars has changed. Also the size and all that can be changed, whether you want to make them thin or thick or whatever. So this, suppose I want to make them somewhat look fatter. So this is all what is our bar graph out. And so with this we have completed our bar graph. As I told you, more if you want to search, more if you want to do any change in that, you can go through this one and try on your own. So with this our activity 3 is complete.